Hello everyone, this is lesson number 7, HSK free, and let's start to learn new words. The first one for today is 饮料, 饮料, beverage or drink. Any drink, you can accept the water, for example, tea or fruit, juice or something like that. 饮料, 饮料. Let's see the examples. I like drinking beverages. 我喜欢喝饮料。我喜欢 I like who to drink 饮料 beverage beverage is a good name 我喜欢喝饮料Next one he brings a drink for me 他拿饮料给我他拿 here take or bring 他拿饮料 beverage 给我 for me. Here is 给 it's for someone. So 他拿饮料给我Next one is pretty simple. The drink is very sweet. 饮料很甜 Here is I think it's a new word. 甜 is a sweet. 饮料很甜 The drink is very sweet. For example, orange juice. 饮料很甜 The first beverage for today is 花茶 scented tea, or I think any tea with a smell. Flower tea is better. Herbal tea. Scented tea.
Scented.
Scented. Let's see. I drank a cup of scented tea. 我喝了一杯花茶。我喝了 I drank 一杯 one cup 花茶 scented tea 我喝了一杯花茶 I drank a cup of scented tea. I drank a cup of scented tea. 我喝了一杯花茶花 it's a flower and cha it's a tea. So I think better to translate like flower tea, but because of a flower, they called scented tea with a lot of scents. 我喝了一杯花茶 Next one, scented tea feels very comfortable. 花茶很舒服 So not scented tea, but after you drink this tea, you feel very comfortable. 花茶很舒服 Very comfortable, very good for your health. It's nice, comfy, clean, pleasant, easy. 花茶很舒服 Next one. She puts the scented tea on the table. 她把花茶放在桌上 Or it could be 桌子上 also could be. It's just shortened version. 她把 As you remember this 把 you can translate like take. So 她把 she takes 花茶 scented tea and put on the table. 放在桌子上放 it's to put something. 在 and 上 works together to create on something. So 在桌子上他把花茶放在桌子上桌上 So this 把 just translate it like to take something, to hold something. Next one is 绿茶 It's a green tea because 绿 it's just a green color. 绿茶。Green tea is green. 绿茶是绿色的。绿色 it's a green color or just green. So 绿茶 the green tea 是 is 绿色的。So is green. 绿茶是绿色的。Next one. I only drink green tea. 我只喝绿茶。Here's 只 I only to do something. So just or only. 我只喝 I only drink 绿茶 green tea. 我只喝绿茶 green tea. Next one. Green tea is very fresh. 绿茶很新鲜。新 it's a new. 鲜 it's a fresh. But together 新鲜 it's a fresh. 绿茶很新鲜。The green tea is very fresh. 绿茶很新鲜。新鲜 it's a fresh. I think there's also a new word for us. Maybe in future, of course, we'll more deeply learn this word. Next one is 水果. 水果 it's a fruit. 水 it's a water. 果 it's also fruit, but sometimes it could be translated like fructose outcome effect. So it could be not fruit, for example, not orange, but also fruit of any tree. Not so. Okay, I think fruit also okay. 水果 fruit. You can also say 果, but 果 has more variety. It not, for example, it's maybe some not eatable. Maybe some seeds like. So also it may be peanut or something like that. So it really has a lot of because 水果 it's in our daily life we use for orange or apple or something like that. 水果 let's see. I like eating fruit. 我喜欢吃水果。我喜欢 I like 吃 to eat 水果 fruit. So 我喜欢吃水果 I like to eat fruits or just fruit. Next one. The fruit is very sweet. 水果很甜。水果 fruit 很甜 very sweet. 甜。水果很甜。Next one. She brings fruit for me. 她拿水果给我。So 她拿 she brings 水果 fruits 给我 for me. So 她拿水果给我。Next one is 衬衫 it's a shirt or blouse. 衬衫 Let's see. I wear a new shirt. 我穿新衬衫。Here is a new word. 穿 it's wear something. For example, wear some t-shirt, wear some jeans or something like any clothes. 我穿新 it's a new and 衬衫 is a shirt or blouse. 我穿新衬衫 I wear a new shirt. Next one. The shirt is very comfortable. Shirt. Let's see. Maybe some other. Shirt, t-shirt, shirt in color.
Shirt.
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 The shirt is very comfortable. 衬衫很舒服。衬衫衬衫很舒服is very comfortable. 衬衫很舒服 It's not 橙 it's 衬 because no z and it's not 上 it's 衫衬衫很舒服 Next one. He bought a shirt. 他买了一件衬衫 We have a measure word 件 for clothes. So we use this 一件 He bought a piece of shirt or he bought a one piece of shirt also you can say. 他买了 he bought 一件衬衫一件 one piece of 衬衫 of clothes. So 他买了一件衬衫And last one for today is 裤子 trousers, pants. Let's see. My pants are very long. 我的裤子很长我的裤子 it's a trousers pants. 我的裤子 my pants 很长 very long. So, 我的裤子很长 Next one. She wears green pants. 她穿绿裤子。她穿 to wear something 绿 it's a green and 裤子 it's a pants. So 她穿绿裤子 she wears a green pants. Next one. The pants are put on the bed. 裤子放床上 Here you can see 床 it's a bed and 上 on top of on the bed. So 裤子放床上 The pants are put on the bed. I think it's a bit better translation. Let's see another variation. Trousers on the bed. So trousers on the bed is better. 裤子放床上 So sometimes 放 it's not to put, it's just could be like this on the bed. It could sometimes not translate it. So 裤子放床上裤子放床上 The pants are on the bed. Let's repeat what we learned today. 饮料 beverage drink. 花茶 scented tea flower tea. 绿茶 green tea. 水果 fruit. 衬衫shirt blues. And 裤子 it's trousers and pants or pants. And let's also learn one new idiom for today. The first one, it's 一点 dot or point little by little. So because 点 it's a bit, so 一点 also a bit or slowly. For example, he learned Chinese little by little. 他一点学会了中文 is Chinese. 学 is to study. 会 I can to do something, to be able to do something. But 学会 it's learned. It's when you already conquer something, when you already learn something. So 学会了 it's he learned. He already know how to speak. But it was not fast, it was 一点一点学会了中 little by little, day by day. 他一点一点学会了中文。Also, sometimes could be 慢慢 slowly,一点一点。So, see you in the next lesson.